baby, come this way. Turn back, come. Come. All right, good job. You're a driver for the day? Beep beep. Come on, let's go. Hi thieves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. How are you guys doing? Happy Saturday, you guys. How are you guys? We are out and about on the road. Going to handle some business. Going to run some errands. We have been resting for the most part. I haven't been feeling too well. Human nature take over this morning and I just not in the vibrant kind of mood that I'm usually in, but that won't damper my day. And you guys are having a wonderful day with all the things that is happening in this world. Just be happy, keep a smile on your face, keep that positive energy going no matter what, because so much things is happening in this world. It's just crazy. On that note, give this video a thumbs up for our beautiful faces, okay? And Tyler is in the back chilling on his passy, and my handsome man is driving. Right, handsome man? You guys, I completely forget that sale is still going on and there's so much people at the mall. The mission for today really is to change our internet, because my videos are taking like 2 hours or 2 hours plus to upload, and sometimes the internet just moves really slow. So we are changing the internet company. So I think there's a few persons in front of us, so they took our number. They're gonna send us a message when it's our turn, so that we don't have to sit in the store and wait. So I'm actually waiting on Babe and Tyler. I think they're behind me somewhere coming. People just looking at me straight like, why is this girl talking to a camera? But that's kind of hilarious. And we're just going to shop around until it's our turn to sort out our internet, and fingers crossed that we get it done, because I really need this stupid internet that we have at home to change. Come, let me try. It's supposed to feel weird. Oh my gosh, honey.
It's good.
Oh my gosh, baby. No way.
Good. Stand up.
No.
Stand.
Why? Because you want to try?
Yeah.
I'm definitely gonna make you try, but I'm working mine out first. Baby, it's everything, isn't it? Shh. Push your neck way back in it. It's gonna get tighter and tighter. You feel it? finally finished what we wanted to do, and babe got himself a new phone. Finally he got himself a good phone, and hopefully we'll have faster internet in a few weeks time, because I think it takes like a week or so to come and install. We've been back and your girl is in the kitchen making din. It's guest Saturday, so you guys have to guess what I am making for dinner today. You guess? Guess. You get it? If you guessed barbecue chicken, you're right. Listen, you guys, in case you guys didn't know, babe and I love barbecue chicken so much. We even do barbecue chicken in winter when we can't go outside. That's how much we love barbecue chicken. I know that it's summer, we be barbecuing every day, every single day. I just love barbecue chicken that much. And babe suggested to have it with bread last night, and oh my god, I felt like I was in Jamaica for a minute. It was everything, and I really wasn't going to eat the bread, but then I said, let me just have the bread, and it was the best decision I have ever made to eat that bread with that barbecue chicken last night. So for dinner I am making barbecue chicken, corn, and drumroll festival. You guys, festival is on and almost ready to come out. Almost ready to come out. Look at those golden brown. Festival. So festival is on. Corn is cooking, almost ready to come out, and I'm gonna throw them on the grill when I'm finished. And out here the chicken is on, and baby's also on washing those dishes for me as usual. He makes sure as usual. Yes, he's washing the dishes as usual. Alright, you guys, dinner is well on its way, and Tyler is somewhere about the place. Somewhere about the place playing. Let's see if I can find him. There you are. There you are, silly. What are you doing? What you doing? Wow, you did that. Look at him. He's making a trap for these cars. What you doing? You're gonna drive on the... You're playing the xylophone. You're a musician? Alright, good job. Listen, you guys, he's not gonna stop knocking that thing, and I need to go take out my festivals before they burn. You guys, dinner is done and it's grub time. Grub time, and Tyler is ready. Tyler, you ready? Tyler loves festivals, and he loves corn, and he loves chicken, so those are his favorite. Look at him. He's not waiting on nobody. Tyler, be careful. Be careful, baby. You want festival? Say festival. Say corn. You're cutting the festival? He's cutting up everything. Lord have mercy. And the boss is ready to grab. Ty, the feast is official, you guys. Official. Look at Tyler chopping up the corn though, Lord. Come and sit. Sit here. Come, baby, sit. That's your new favorite obsession? Oh, you're giving them some. Aww. How sweet of you. They can't get it. Mom. Can Mama have some? Thank you. Cut the food on my mouth still. You guys can tell that it was good, right? Dinner was awesome and the boys are having popsicle.
Good.
For the Jamaican expression today, you're going to get a word, and the word I'm going to give you today is going to be market. Market. You get that? Say it with me. Market. If you hear a Jamaican say to you, "Me a go down a market," they're simply saying that they're going to the market.
When you say market, I won't have understand. But when you say me, I go down a market. I say, okay, that's
You
market.
understand?
Yeah.
Say it.
Market.
Right. Market mean market.
The French expression is not going to be an expression. It's going
Thank
to be
you.
word vocabulary. For market, we're going to say marché. So marché in French is not the supermarket. It's just
The outdoor market.
right, when you find most of the time only fruits, vegetables, and when it's outside, when it's not a store.
That's the same thing we call market too.
Yeah, you go into the market. Say it.
Marché.
Right.
Alright, you guys, so there you have the thank you Tala is giving me. Tula, guys, he won't finish. Look at him. This big boy. You guys, you see my baby curls coming back? Yes, honey. Look at him. Such a big boy. Alright, guys. So there you have the French word and the Jamaican word for today. And we had an amazing day, just low-key getting errands done, and we were successful in getting our internet changes. Just that it will be a few days or a week before it's into effect, so that was good. Babe got his new phone finally.
We finally upgrade from this.
Hey, let me upgrade you, honey.
I'm gonna pass you.
So yes, he gone to S what? S8? S7?
Yeah.
S7, and I have
the S7 for 10 euro.
For 10 euro. For 10 euro with the deal. Look at Tyler. He can't be satisfied. He just have to have Papa own. Can't be satisfied. He's like some men that cannot be satisfied. They want more than one woman. I didn't say you, my love.
No, but the camera is on me.
But that doesn't mean I'm talking about you. I could never be talking about you. But you guys get what I mean. What happened? We're going to go ahead and end the vlog here. Tyler, up and to sit. Hey, sit. Sit. Look at him. Oh Lord, I thought he wasn't going to finish it, but he's gonna finish it. Tyler, say bye bye. Bye bye. Give them kisses. All right. So cute. All right. They get it, honey. They get it. All right, you guys. No, eat. Oh. So hilarious. You guys, we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. There is a small bell just beside the subscription button. Just click your bell, and it will ask you if you want to get the notification, and you just click that box. That's all you have to do. Click the bell and you will get your notification. See babe getting his notification. All right, you guys, catch up and keep up.
You do the same.
Yes, catch up and keep up, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. Say bye bye.